You've got a ton of pruning to do here. You know, it's like all around the property, everywhere you look, it's like, oh man, that needs attention. Oh geez, that does. It's like a pinball, like, oh God, what do I do? So, you know, you wait on the flowering stuff because they're about to bloom. There's not a magic window where you only have a week or something. Just relax, okay? They use, you know, the rhododendrons, the azaleas, the whatever else you have. Just pace yourself. I would take as much as you can go through the property and just do it one at a time, okay? Be ruthless because you know they're gonna come back. It buys you time. If you do it now, there's less to do later. You have then a few years of it can just grow on their own and they look nice. Any of that can happen at any time. Sharpen your tools so that when you're pruning, it's actually efficient use of your time. You can get through that. You need clean cuts, no ripping. It's hard to do that with dull tools. So you get a sharpener or you go get a new tool if it's not salvageable.